Dimension of Meaning, Module 2. What is dimensions of meaning? It is any linguistic expression that has a relation between the utterance and the things or person that being referenced in a which language. The dimension of meaning refers and denotation, connotation, sense relation, lexical and grammatical meaning, morphemes, homonym, and polyseme, lexical ambiguity. Reference and denotation. Both reference and denotation are the relation between a language expression, a lexical unit, and whatever what that expression or object. Reference is the relation between a specific expression. Example: bull refers to a male cow. Denotation refers to a class of objects or individuals. Example: bull denotes a class of animals. Connotation. The affective of emotion associate it elics which clearly need not to be same for all people who know and use the word. Connotation refers to a personal aspect of meaning, the emotional associations that the word arouses. Negative connotation. Skinny, bizarre, domineering. No connotation. Thin, usual, unusual, forceful. Positive connotation. Slender, extraordinary, assertive. Example: the dog have a certain denotation and may refer to a very common four-legged animal. However, for the Eskimos, a dog is an animal for pulling a sled. B. Apprases a dog regarding as nearly scared. C. Hindus, dogs as a great pet. D. American, dogs as a pet and guardian. Sense relation. The meaning that a lexeme has because of its relationship with other lexeme. They are associated with the utterance in the sense of that lexeme. Example: a window broke. B. Tom broke the window. C. A happy child, a happy family who enjoyed. D. A happy accident, a happy experience that procedures. E. Happy story, happy report containing a happy event. Kinds of sense relation. Ted is always punctual. Ted is always on time. Andre is a bachelor. Andre is unmarried. Tim was arrested. The orphan has a mother. In syntagmatic is a relation that deals with how each word should be arranged in order to give wider meaning. Example: A. Kiara kills mosquito. B. A mosquito kills Anne. Paradigmatic, where a word has set of possibilities and same sense in meaning with other word. For example, Mary has 3 kids: children, toddlers, son or daughter, offspring. Lexical and grammatical meaning. Lexical meaning is the meaning of individual word. For example, a house, a building for human habitation. B. Shoes, a covering for the foot. C. A dog, barker. Grammatical meaning are expressed by bound morphemes, by function words, and arrangement of the form in a sentence. Example: A. Let's eat this tonight. B. He already ate this. C. I've just eaten some fries. The semantic structure of word. Lexical meaning is individual meaning of the word. Grammatical meaning is the meaning of the whole class or a subclass. Morphemes. Morphemes is the smallest part of the word that has its own meaning. Free morphemes. Morphemes which can occur by themselves. Example: happy and guitar. Bound morphemes which are always attached to something else. Example: unhappy and guitarist. Lexeme, a set of form which grammatically affix. Example: go, goes, going, gone, and went. These are forms of lexeme. Go. Homonym and polysemy. The form is fairly easy to determine. In writing, it is a sequence of letters. In speech, a sequence of phonemes, but meaning is more difficult to determine. In homonym, such as bank, a financial institution, and bank, the edge of a stream, pronunciation and spelling are identical but meaning are unrelated. Polysemy refers to the phenomenon that a word has more than one meaning. Face, the front of the head, a surface of a thing, a person's countenance, a person. Homonymy refers to the phenomenon that two or more words have the same form but have different meaning. Lie. Make an untrue statement. Lie. Put oneself in a resting position. Homonyms is a traditional defined as different word with the same form. A. Absolute homonyms will satisfy the following three conditions. They will be unrelated in meaning. All their forms will be identical. The identical form will be grammatically equivalent. Example: bank, bank, sole. Bottom or foot or shoes. Sole, kind of fish. B. Partial homonym. Cases where there are identity of one form and one or two but not all three of the above condition are satisfied. For example, founding, etc., and found as the form of find is not grammatically equivalent to found as form of found. Polysemy, one word, multiple meaning. Lexical ambiguity. Lexical ambiguity is written error that occurs when a sentence contains a word that has more one meaning. This problem, which is also called semantics ambiguity, obscures the writer's intent and confuse the reader. Lexical ambiguity is something used intentionally to create a pun, which is play on word often to be funny. For example, I saw a bat. That is all. Thank you for listening.